Hello everyone, Merry Christmas. So welcome back to our channel AI and I. Today we will be diving into the world of music creation using generative AI, right? So if you have ever dreamed of composing your own song, we all have at one stage, of course, whenever we are listening to good music. But didn't know how to start, where to start? This tutorial is just for you. So let's get started. So to start with, so you just need to write Suno.ai or Suno AI in Google. You can search Google and you will get the options here, Suno.com. So once you reach there, you can just click and reach the website. So what it is exactly? So Suno AI is a cutting-edge text-to-music generator, and of course you can upload your audio as well, and it can enhance your audio. You can make with that as well. But yes, we are limiting this tutorial to text-to-music generating. So that allows you to create original tracks just by entering prompts. Prompt engineering is everywhere, right? So yeah, whether you are a seasoned musician or a complete beginner, just like me, Suno makes music creation fun, accessible, and easy. So once you have clicked and once you have logged in, you can see the dashboard here. The interface is very easy. I have already made some songs here. I was just trying the app. So you can see the interface is user-friendly, and it's easy to understand like what needs to be done and what needs to do. So let's jump into creating our very first song. Of course, for the tutorial, I already made some songs here. So here you can see home page. So home takes you to the already created by some users the songs, what all people are making, just to have an idea and glimpse of the application, how creative people are. People are creative. Creativity is a blessing, of course. And you, me, and everyone is here watching this video just because we are creative in some way. So home is like this. So let's jump back and go to custom. Create a website, not website, but a song. So here we have some options. You can, this is the by default option. So you can give a description of the song here. And if you want to keep it instrumental, you can, of course, toggle it. You can also upload an audio, existing audio, whether you have recorded it, singing of any of your family member. So, but when I click on custom, here is the thing. So here you can write your own lyrics, and or you can write it with Suno as well. So they have. Let's write it. So. Wishing everyone joy and peace. It's easy, right? You can write it as you like. So once I have the option here, so I can select the classic mode or the new model. It's the beta model. Let's try this one and click on write lyrics. So let's wait. As I've already told you in the earlier videos, like all the backend processes, the models, trained models are being called, and they start to make interesting output. So interesting. I've been given two options to choose from. So Happy New Year, standing in a beautiful day, baby. We pop the champagne and cheers. New York, New York, LA, Tokyo. It's I'm gonna drop. Okay, and the bell in the church ring. Nice lyrics. So as you can see that there is a difference in the mode of writing the lyrics, in the lyrics output. Okay, let's select this one. Accept this option. And the full and style of the music. So okay, so if I select, okay, I have to subscribe in order to select the style. So this is a freemium mode, free subscription mode, so limited options. But yes, it's good to know about the features of the website and the quality of the output that is provided by such kind of generative AI websites. So enter the style of music. I can see like some good options. So as per your choice, you can select. Okay, that's it. So I'll just keep it short, but yes, you have the option. It's easy, right? The interface is very easy to select and to put on your creativity or your what you like, the style of music you like. Persona, no persona selected. Again, it's a paid feature. Title, Happy New Year 2025. Okay, that's it. So easy. So what I will just recap what we did. We customized it. We made the lyrics with the help of the AI feature, and the style of music. There were some options given, but you can choose your own options. The style of music you would like to listen, you would like to make or create, and the title, of course. And let's see the magic. Kaboom. Usually it should not take a lot of time. You can see that it's getting created, right? So let's see that. So it's always good to have such kind of technologies which help you out to feel your creativity, right? To make sure to make yourself easy to try things on such kind of websites. Generative AI, thank you, thanks a lot bringing it up. So yes, it didn't take time. Almost not a minute. So within a minute it was created. Nice. So you have two options. Let's hear one by one what it is. Champagne water, nice. So the picture, they have just kept it aligned with the theme of the music as well.
Standing in on a beautiful day, baby. We pop the champagne and cheers. New York, LA, Tokyo. Shanghai celebrates the new year.
It's awesome.
New plan, have you made one yet? What is your New Year resolution? Do you have a plan? Vacation, I want to. Please come. I wish you good luck this year.
It blown my mind, yes. Awesome. So, of course, I selected it, but amazing. You will love to hear it. I will post it separately, and I will share the link in the tutorial app as well. You can see the link down, and I'm pretty much sure you will like it. And let's listen to the second one. Fingers crossed.
Cheers, New York, LA, Tokyo. Shanghai celebrates the new year. A new plan, have you made one yet? What is your New Year resolution? Do you have a plan?
So the second one is Mindblowing as well. The lyrics, they are matching. The music is completely synchronized with the music, and of course it was all made in 2-3 minutes, right? So you can have the lyrics as well, and they have given a related pic to the music. And once we are done, and we have the option to download, we can share the link. We can make that public as well. So if you click on public, it will be public for the other users. As we have seen earlier in the home page, it will go to the home page of the website. If we want to extend, we can extend it as well. And of course, this is for the public. And here are the options to download it. So if you want to download, you can download audio and video as well. And let me try this one video. If I click on video, I think it will be again a paid. Wonderful. It's not paid actually, but okay, this was more about the image. So I will download both the songs that we have created, you and me all together. So that's it. So with that, I think there you have it. Creating music with Suno AI, and there are some apps as well, but it is very easy to use. I must say that it's not only fun, but it is also empowering. Empowering creativity, making you feel confident, like a famous lyrics writer, and you can have that, enjoy that power of generative AI, right? So I hope this tutorial, quick, short, helped you to compose unique songs and helps you to create unique songs and reflect your creativity. And don't forget to explore different prompts and styles to make the most out of this innovative tool. So if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. So if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy songwriting, everyone. See you in our next video. Thank you. Happy holidays and Happy New Year in advance. Enjoy the music.